Chalkola makes some fantastic chalk pens. I have been loving their jumbo and regular tip markers for quite some time. I usually use them on my fridge to make notes to my family, and I am thrilled that they just gifted me their cleaning kit as well. Now this has a few components to it, and it's really a nice addition to the markers. Let's get into it. Now, while I use these markers on my fridge, you can use chalk markers on glass, on chalkboards, on whiteboards, on metal. You really can write on a lot of different surfaces, but some surfaces are going to be more porous than others. For a long time, I had one of those chalkboard calendars on my wall, and because of the bumps, it actually got hard to clean, and I would have loved to have had this kit. Now here's what you get. You get a microfiber towel. Microfiber is magical for cleaning all of this off. You also get these two sponge erasers. These are those magical melamine erasers that work so well. And then the key ingredient is this spray. And this is really impressive because this is all natural, non-toxic, and as it says here, no alcohol, ammonia, or petrochemical. So this is a very clean product to use in your home, around yourself, your kids, your pets. Now to use, simply spray it on, give it a little bit of time to kind of sink in, and then wipe it off with your microfiber towel. And if there's anything left over, just wetten one of these eraser sponges and give it a good scrub, and that should really take care of just about everything. And on top of that, this kit actually does come with a white pen as well, so it gives you everything you need, the pen and the cleaning fluid in one kit. Really fantastic.